From Tac-Force and Master Cutlery, this folding knife is TF-719BK. Comes in several other models, right? The BL, the PC, the RC, and the RD models. Right now it is a liner lock folding knife. Deployment of the blade is via this index flipper, which turns into a guard. Comes out very quickly. You see the blade is a classic stiletto style, stainless steel, 3 1/2 inches. Here's the liner lock, easy to disengage, fast to deploy. And as you can see, comes quite sharp and of course pointed as well in the stiletto style. This is a very attractive stylized little pocket knife, very handy for everyday tasks. See, it even has a glass breaker, rescue cutter there. But overall, this handy and sweet looking stiletto. It's a great product from Tac-Force and Master Cutlery.